During October and November 2020, the University of Melbourne facilitated a 5-week remote research and leadership workshop with Australian and Vietnamese early to mid-career researchers who are working in agriculture for development. We selected 6 Australian volunteers through the Australian Volunteers Program and 5 Vietnamese researchers from our partner organisation, the Vietnam National University of Agriculture. Due to COVID-19, this workshop had to be conducted online via Zoom.
We hope that this project will inspire and enable the program to expand this type of support, not only in Vietnam, but throughout the 26 countries that we work in.
In this workshop, my role as a Senior Research Support Coordinator is to mentor each Australian and Vietnamese partner and work closely through our assignments through problem solving and scenario-based learning. I strongly believe that this workshop helped to bring more upskill researchers and help improve research capacity for both Australian and Vietnamese sides.
We partnered together 5 Australian volunteers with 5 early to mid-career researchers from Vietnam to work together on problem-solving, scenario-based activities through the presentations and also provide feedback on their own research. We explored 4 major themes across the assignment. These included research questions and leadership skills, designing surveys and tools for data collection, piloting surveys and community engagement, and data visualization and interpretation.
But from weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5, we're going to be networking, building that knowledge, building our skills, working on outputs on those 4 topics, which Mia and Jan and Dr. Na and the team have put together some different packages for us to be able to go through those topics and apply it to some scenarios and also apply it to our own projects.
The workshop structure really focused on trying to share knowledge amongst the partners that were in it. Not just the facilitators presenting and telling everybody their information, but really trying to get the pairs and Vietnamese and Australian collaborators working and learning together. So the way we tried to do that was by getting them to go through scenarios together and then also applying it to their own projects that they're working on both in Australia and particularly in Vietnam.
Hi everyone, my name is Ha. I'm working at the University of Agriculture based in Hanoi. In this workshop, my role is to facilitate the active engagement of the participant in an online training platform, which is new to most of us. In this novel approach, all participants have been working together with excitement. Australian and Vietnamese participants who are early and mid-career researchers and students have lots of opportunities to learn and share their experiences to improve their cross-cultural understanding.
The partners met online outside of the workshop sessions to work on questions and also to build on their own research, allowing cross-cultural and often cross-disciplinary feedback to both participants. The partners have gotten to know each other really well throughout the 5 weeks and will continue the friendship and professional network in the future.
I found that the Vietnamese students and researchers, they are learning and finding an opportunity to improve themselves and for higher education, as well as looking for small research funds.
In terms of key learnings for me from this workshop, there's been many, but I guess the first and perhaps most important one was that this works. When we started the workshop, we did not know if this would be an effective way to engage and be useful to researchers in Vietnam and Australia. And from the feedback that we've had so far from the participants, we can say that it has been, which is fantastic.
This pilot project has been extremely successful and I have thoroughly enjoyed working with each participant and facilitator. We are really hoping to get to Vietnam in 2021 to conduct a similar workshop in person. See you there!